You know, everyone's afraid like these AI is gonna take over some developer job. AI is gonna take over every job. 올라가자. 올라가자.
발판이 없어, 찬우야.
아, 하나, 둘, 셋. 네. All right. Let's get started. I'm telling you, you know, like if you hide your kid from like playgrounds and shit too much, when they're older, they're gonna get sick and shit. You know what I mean? Just like programmers are resilient, you know? Yeah. So like, we were the first ones exposed to AI, trying to take our jobs and shit. Since you're the first one attacked and the most exposed, we're gonna be able to make the most defenses.
Right.
And you know, I don't know how it is yet, but the defense is probably just like more jobs being created anyways.
Yeah.
So just AI is gonna take every single job anyways. Yeah, and then UBI is gonna happen, universal basic income, and the only jobs there are programming jobs, data gathering jobs. Ah, dude, there's this really good show that I watched not too long ago. Let's go get coffee. The call?
We hyped up.
No, I fucking played video games for like an hour. Dude, AI is gonna take over every job. Once these robots, you guys heard robots coming out, bro. A robot can fix your car. A robot can clean your house. A robot vacuum. Here's what I have to say, dude. I sat in a massage chair for 36 minutes the other day. They're still masseuses, bro. It's insensitive to your feelings. Like, if you have like a special spot that you need to get rid of on your shoulders or something, massage chair's not gonna do it, bro.
No.
Only a person's gonna do that shit. This case for like jobs being taken over, yes, like I think it'll create more market rather than take away market. Before, programmers were for like big enterprises and stuff, but more like small, medium enterprises will need more programmers, and because they need to hop on the trend too. You know how many jobs there are, like how many businesses there are, they're doing everything on paper and pen.
Joe Rogan's never gonna die, dude. Like, there will be a podcast, AI doing it.
Bro, there's gonna be 2 AIs talking to each other soon. If you just put a script in, make a podcast about this for like 3 hours.
Oh my god.
And then it just uses voice, starts talking about like getting rid of humans and shit.
Dude, it could happen.
Skynet.
Oh my god.
With all this tech shit, dude, somehow it's gonna regulate and people are gonna fucking start getting off their phone and shit, dude. So my name is Phil. I became a senior developer after the age of 30. If you have any kind of worries about how AI will take your job, like in a non-technical field, or if you have an idea of what jobs it could take and how, let me know and let's get that conversation started. Leave a comment below, like, comment, and share. It'll help me a lot. You know, if I can do it, you can do it too. Coding saves lives.
He lives there now.
That might be.
Yes, we're moving him out here soon. I saw Song, you and Booty were working for a while yesterday, and the Android is still broken. Is it?
Yeah, the Android's broken.
Okay, let's fix that first. All right, let's just get started real quick. All right, so Song, you wanna tell me what you did yesterday and what you're doing today?
Yeah, so yesterday, Booty and I, we were working on the design for the app.
Mm-hmm.
I was also tasked with doing the login screen. I finished it. I did a basic layout using some of the React Native element components.
Mm-hmm.
And for next time, I think I would be working on trying to combine all the screens together.
Okay, we can do that
And-
together for sure.
Okay.
What branch did you work on?
I created a new one, so it's
Okay.
under song / login screen.
Okay, cool. And you just worked on UI, right?
Yes.
Okay, and cool. What are you gonna do today?
Today, try to get the Android working
Okay.
and maybe research some other web frameworks for the UI.
Okay, we just have to keep on studying React Native elements and kind of just kind of mold it into what we want to use it for. And it's quite popular, so there should be a lot of documentation for it. Any blockers?
No blockers.
Okay, just the Android build. Oh, this is Dylan, by the way. He's just gonna sit in and listen. He's one of the mentees. He's a very nice guy, but I think there's some office work going on, so he's not. I think he's just listening in, and he might. I want him to join on the web stuff when he can.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Paradoso, what did you do yesterday? What are you doing today? Any blockers? Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. React Native Android, React Native Vector Icons bug. Just gonna add it. Whenever you guys find a bug, just add it here and then add the there's a bugs label. So login screen is ready for QA, right? And register screen is ready for QA. // projects. Song, did you diverge from team React Native elements, or how did you do that?
Yeah, I created a new branch from the Team React Native Elements branch.
Okay, cool. This is all connected. I want to check the yarn Android. And the error message was something about vector icons when you're building the Android?
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay. Okay.
Because I think from yesterday when we were doing the setup, we tried. I think you tried doing the link, like the npx link, but it didn't go through.
I'm not quite sure what's going on with my Android build. I have to fix that on my own. Can you try to build? Okay. Song. Actually, can you share your screen and try to build the Yarn Android yourself, please?
No.
Oh, okay. Can you type in npx React Native Doctor and see if everything checks out? Can you just copy? Can you copy it all the way to error, reference to vector icon packages and ambiguous? Can you check your main application.java, please, really quick? All right. Can you go to your Android app build.gradle? And on the bottom, I think I added some UI things. Can you switch that so we include all the icons? It just makes, I mean, this is just an example of a hook you can make, but you should really put all your logic and stuff like this into a hook. And then later on, like in your index, you have your export default as use keyboard avoiding view, like this. And then in your login screen, instead of importing this like here, you can just import it all in one line here. Use keyboard avoiding view. And then when we use it, we can be like, okay, const keyboard avoiding view equals use keyboard avoiding view. And then we pass in maybe padding, and I want to pass like 200. 200.
How did you convert it from not having to pass in as a JSX to a component?
Oh, because this is just a function call, right, in JSX. So I just turned it into an anonymous function, right, that passes this, that returns this JSX. Because before I was passing a static value, right, like this. So that means that it's just a variable. But if I want the calling signature, I can just do this. And inside of JSX, the funny thing is, like, if I ever, like, think about this, is that's just the JSX way to call a function. But actually, this is the same thing, right? But this is like, I think this is like better for performance inside of the JSX when you put it in text. I think once we get past all this setup stuff, it'll be a lot funner. But like, this is what you have to go through, dude. Right?
How are you guys?
A little tired, but happy to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't believe you're coming
Same,
soon.
same.
That's crazy, Josh.
Yeah. That is insane. But no.
Yeah, I know a few more days.
A few more days you're gonna
Like
be on a
2,
flight.
3. Yeah.
So wait, do you have a layover or anything, or is it straight up? What is the first thing you want to eat when you're in Korea?
In Korea,
Yes.
I want like some homemade food.
Homemade food.
Whatever that is.
Okay.
Like more like authentic than just like, I don't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, we can do that. Not like home. Like I can go somewhere that's.
Or yeah, not
Yeah.
yeah, just kind of like more like authentic type of place.
I see. Okay, we can do that.
화장실 어디에 수?
있어요.
요.
화장실 어디 있어요?
So it's one.
One time my friend, he got an Airbnb for his birthday.
Yeah.
And I remember I left early
Yeah.
with my wife at the time, my girlfriend at the time, but I left, and then she left her umbrella at the Airbnb. So I went back to get the umbrella, but they already left. So I started banging on the window, thinking that, and I was really drunk.
Yeah.
I punched straight through the window, bro.
Dude.
I did it, and I had like cuts all over my hand.
Holy shit.
It was like when I was first dating my girlfriend, or my wife at the time.
Yeah.
Dude, I was trying to get her umbrella back so hard.
Your wife get impressed?
No, dude, girls don't get impressed by that kind of shit.
She probably was like, "You're a fucking idiot."
Yeah, she was probably like, "You're an idiot, bro. You hurt yourself." You know? No, I think the umbrella ended up being in her purse.
Holy, that's the worst, bro.
You follow me down onto where this map is on the touchable opacity. I'm gonna comment all this out for a second, and then I'm gonna return this card. How do we do this? So right now, we get back in a bunch of IDs, right? An array of IDs,
Correct.
right?
Yep.
So ID, and we need to basically look inside of the skills, skill, and transform this ID to name, I guess.
String.
A string. Can you pass in the find matches?
What's a broker.com?
It's the message broker. So if you need to call other services inside of your code, you use the broker and then you use this string to call the other server from your microservice. So as you can see, we have a v1 skills.service, right? And a lot of its actions are posted into the API gateway. So we use this broker.call to call, let's say, other functions within other servers.
Okay.
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 Do you see how there's an ID there? Right?
Yep.
So we have to query it, and we have to get the ones that match. We have to look up something called aggregate, and we have to use something called lookup. And this is how we have to do it, because this was a lot of work that I didn't expect. So this code can be simplified down a lot. So let's meet up tomorrow. Basically, we got all the skills that people need, right? The skills wanted, skills provided. We got all the skills, and then we knew that that's the only skills that's going to be there, right?
Yeah.
So then we got we ran on the matches. I honestly don't think this might want to work. And then we returned the matches.map, and then because that's an array of objects with the key of the value that is an array as well, we had to map and match all the skills, because we had all the references to the skills here. So I was just referencing them and matching them here. But crap. I'm gonna teach you the kind of correct way to do it tomorrow with aggregate and lookup. It's gonna be a lot easier. You'll know why these aggregations pipelines are there, and we'll get that done tomorrow.
The admin panel, or you want to just discuss that tomorrow?
Let's discuss that tomorrow, but I think we can kind of use like your knowledge of Harmony Hive on the admin panel, because we use that, the drawer and all that kind of stuff. So kind of want to do that. So this one, I want you to just look at this code and kind of play around with it, and we'll keep on chugging along. This is a big app, but we're almost done, I think, because once we have find matches, we just need to send the request and then respond, and then I think Skillsphere will be, at a point where it's like an MVP, but you can add more. So I think we need to add chatting too. So yeah, I'll take a screenshot.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Skillsphere, I think we're almost done. Just a little bit more, and we'll be done for the MVP, and then
Keep adding it after.
yeah. But I think we're gonna bring Jocelyn onto the app, and I think that would be that'd be cool, and like have her kind of like get it to a state where she can keep working on Skillsphere on her own. But I think I want to kind of focus our time onto
For sure.
the next #1 app.